Ever since I have been working as a web developer, I find this a lot, and this is so challenging. People think their Instagram is enough, or sometimes they think their Google Map location is enough. They think their directory listing is enough. This has happened so many times in so many ways. So I cannot make people understand that website is the core. You have to have everything around, but the website should be in the center of your main focus. So if you have the business running smoothly, yeah, no problem, but you have to build a brand, you have to get more exposure, you have to build a consistent growth for your business. So you have to definitely focus on your website, because this is the thing you have full control on. Social media pages, something like Facebook page or Instagram profile, those are fine, but restrictions can come, and yeah, it can ruin your business, because maybe you're getting all the visitors from your Facebook page or from your Google location. What happens if the location gets banned? Some people reports, and Google just freezes your location. So what can happen then? You just will be watching around, you will be just wondering what went wrong, and time will go. You cannot bear the expenses for your business, you cannot pay up the salaries for your staff, you cannot continue business growth, and you cannot provide after sales customer supports. Your reputation will be ruined. So you have to have your website clearly up and running. So you have to have your website, and the website should do all, because it will be showcasing your portfolios, your previous projects you have done. There would be image galleries, all in the same place. On the home page, there would be your testimonials, a glance of it, and people can click and visit the testimonial page. People can see your summary of the services you're providing, and they can click to get each and every service details in separate pages. So that's well organized things, professional things, and people love it, because nowadays whenever you are just dropping a tender for getting a project, yeah, definitely the authority will be checking if you have a website or not, what about your business profile, and what is there to learn more about your business. And you have just one PDF business profile, we just cannot stand out of the crowd, because that is not the standard anymore. You have to have your online profile ready, and that should be your website. Yeah, your PDF profile can do the thing, and you can definitely print the hard copy of the profile. You can definitely hand over people your brochures. That's fine, but your website should be there, and the PDF version of your online profile should be downloadable from your website, not from elsewhere. That is a big thing, because people come to your website, they just understand what you do. At the first impression, they hooked into your business, they are interested in you, and make them do that. If you cannot, your competitors will do, and you just cannot afford to do that. If you need any sort of consultancy about developing your website, or you want to start the new project, you can definitely visit passivecoder.com and book a Calendly session. A 30-minute session would do that. I would be there for you, and after discussion we can start web development project, no problem. That's all for this video. See you on the next video. Thank you.